everybody, in this video we're going to see on how to use word art in Microsoft Word. So to add word art, you go to insert and then go to this tilted A right here. You click it and you'll find all the word art here. So I'll just take this and then you can edit this text however you want. But after I added the word art, you see I got this new shape format. So in shape format, you can get all these theme styles. So I can get it like this, I can get this, or like this, however you want. So first we're going to talk about shape effects. So I'll just select one of these background. Okay, so there's a background for the text. So if I see the shape effects, there are many different type of effects. So let's see what preset is. There are these type of preset effects, so I'll just use this and you see how it changed. Then there's shadow, you can choose where the shadow will be, and then there is a reflection, you can choose where the reflection you want to be, and then there's a glow, so you can add a glow to your thing, you can see over there. Then there's soft edges, so there are many soft edges like that. And then there's bevel, which put like there you can see changed. And then last is 3D rotation, so you can put it however you want. So I'll just put it like this, so it rotated. And then the shape outline, so this is the outline of the shape. So if I select this, you see the black outline came, and then you can see more outline colors over here, and then you can choose custom colors, and then you can do those. So then there is shape fill, so there are many colors here. There's the color of the shape that the text is on, so you can select any color you want. So after that is quick styles, it's basically word art. You can edit your word art over here. Like if you want to change your word art from this to this, you can do it over here. And then we have transform, we have already covered this. Then there's transform, you can see over here it just changed like that. And then over here this is the text outline color, like the outline for the text. So if I select, if you can see it's changing the outline a little. So then there's the text color itself, the text color you can see change over here on the text. So you can change it to whatever you want, and that's how you use word art on Microsoft Word.